I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Toyota Camry door locks. First, determine if the issue affects all doors or just a single one. This helps narrow down the potential cause. Next, locate your vehicle's fuse box and inspect the door lock fuses for any signs of damage. A blown fuse is a common and easy fix. Finally, listen closely for any sounds from the door lock actuator when operating the lock. Many door lock issues have straightforward solutions. Begin by applying a high-quality silicone lubricant to the door latch and moving parts. Sometimes, simple friction is the culprit. Carefully examine the wiring leading to the door lock for any frayed wires or disconnected plugs. A loose connection can easily disrupt the circuit. If all else fails, try disconnecting your car battery for about 10 minutes to reset the electrical system. If simpler fixes don't work, you might need to replace the door lock actuator. Start by gently removing the interior door panel, usually held by a few screws and clips. Once exposed, carefully disconnect the electrical connector and the 2 or 3 linkage rods attached to the old actuator. Then, install the new actuator, making sure all connections are firmly in place before reassembling. Before fully reassembling, it's crucial to test the new actuator. Operate the door lock multiple times using both the power lock switch and the manual lock knob. Confirm that it locks and unlocks smoothly and consistently. Once you are satisfied with its operation, carefully reattach the interior door panel, ensuring all clips and screws are properly secured for a professional finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.